Drones may not carry fire hoses, but they're giving Lexington firefighters something even more valuable, a safer way to assess dangerous situations.
We can see different images on the drone that we normally couldn't see as the naked eye. So it gives us an advantage on structure fires.
The fire department started launching drones at the beginning of this year. Battalion Chief Chris Warren says they're equipped with heat detecting technology that helps crews quickly determine the size and location of the fire.
The incident commander can make better decisions of positioning people in the house to stop the spread of fire, where we normally had no idea other than reading the smoke.
The features like night vision and thermal cameras come in handy for fighting fires, but also other special operation calls that come into the Lexington Fire Department.
We can turn the thermals on at night, get up above the neighborhood, look and see the entire neighborhood and see if we see anybody walking. We can actually make contact with them through the drone. We've got lights, we've got speakers on it.
Drone pilots only respond when requested, and weather like rain and snow can keep them grounded. But when they do get airborne, their value extends beyond the emergency itself.
If the building's too damaged, we're worried about a collapse, we can fly that little drone inside, take 4K video of everything inside, and use it for the investigation.
While the drones have only been used a couple dozen times, Warren believes it will become a heavily utilized tool in the future.
All of a sudden it's turning out that is becoming crucial to what we're doing.
In Lexington, Madison Porter, WKY.